Are you tired of struggling with stairs in your home? Do you dream of an easier, more accessible way to move between floors? Installing a traditional elevator is complicated and often requires professional help. For many homeowners, it's simply out of reach. The biggest problem? The high cost and complexity of traditional elevator installations. But what if there was a better way? A way to build your own home elevator, tailored to your specific needs, without breaking the bank? Introducing free DIY Hoist Powered Elevator Plans. A step-by-step guide to building your own Hoist Powered Elevator system, designed for affordability and ease of installation. These plans provide a cost-effective and customizable solution that makes installing a home elevator more accessible and affordable. Imagine easily moving items between floors, increasing your home's value, and enjoying the freedom and convenience of a home elevator. With these plans, you'll get detailed blueprints, a complete parts list, step-by-step instructions, and access to installation support. Ready to transform your home and say goodbye to inconvenience? Sign up today to get your free DIY Hoist Powered Elevator plans. Just click the button below, enter your email, and start building your dream elevator.